Best infrared grills. I recently dove into the world of infrared grills, testing 5 popular models so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. I wanted to find out which ones are worth the hype and which ones fall flat. Let's save you some time and money with my honest reviews. Product number 1. eTech City Infrared Thermometer. Let me tell you about the eTech City Infrared Thermometer. When I first unboxed it, I was surprised by its lightweight design and vibrant yellow color. This handy tool isn't just for grilling, it's versatile enough for all sorts of cooking tasks. The infrared technology allows me to measure the temperature of meat, candy, and even my oven without any contact, which is a game changer. I remember grilling a steak and using this thermometer to ensure I hit that perfect medium rare. The bright LCD display made it easy to read the temperature in seconds, even in low light. Product number 2, Thermal Pro TP420 2-in-1 Instant Read Thermometer. Next up is the Thermal Pro TP420 2-in-1 Instant Read Thermometer. As soon as I held it, I felt the quality in my hands. This isn't just another thermometer. It combines an infrared sensor with a meat probe, giving you the best of both worlds. I put it to the test while grilling chicken, using the infrared feature to check the surface temperature and the probe for internal doneness. The readout was fast, within 2 to 3 seconds, and accurate, which is crucial when you're trying to avoid undercooked meat. On the pros side, the foldable probe is convenient and waterproof, which means cleanup is a breeze. I loved the large backlit display, which is helpful when grilling at night. However, the plastic material feels a bit cheap, and it might not hold up as well over time compared to more rugged thermometers. Also, while the infrared feature is great, it can't replace the accuracy of probing thick cuts. Product number 3, Ninja Outdoor Woodfire Pro XL. Let's move on to the Ninja Grill and Smoker. When I first plugged it in, I was blown away by its 4-in-1 functionality. This unit can grill, smoke, air fry, and bake, which is perfect for someone like me who loves versatility in the kitchen. I threw some ribs on it, loaded with Ninja's wood pellets, and the flavor was unreal. The built-in thermometer took the guesswork out of cooking, alerting me when my food reached perfect doneness. The pros are clear. It has a large capacity, so it's great for entertaining, and the ability to smoke food in minutes is a real time saver. The design feels sturdy, and the weather-resistant feature means I can use it year-round. However, it's a bit pricey compared to traditional grills, and the learning curve for the different cooking functions can be steep for beginners. Product number 4. Solaire SOL-EV17A Portable Grill. Now let's talk about the Solaire Everywhere Portable Infrared Propane Gas Grill. This thing is a beast in a small package. Weighing only 15 pounds, it's super portable and perfect for camping trips or tailgating. I took it to a picnic recently and it heated up in minutes. The infrared burner technology created an amazing sear on the burgers I cooked, and I was thrilled with how juicy they turned out. The benefits are clear. The portable design is fantastic for on-the-go grilling, and the V-Grate enhances flavor while reducing flare-ups. However, at $399, it's certainly an investment. The grilling area is limited, so it might not be suitable for larger gatherings unless you're prepared to cook in batches. Product number 5, Caloric Steakhouse Grill Pro. Lastly, I want to share my experience with the Caloric Steakhouse Grill Pro. This electric grill is compact yet powerful, reaching a staggering 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. I decided to try making steaks on it, and let me tell you, the sear I achieved was restaurant quality. The ceramic heating elements are top-notch and really do a great job of locking in juices while creating that perfect crust. The advantages of this grill include the speedy cooking time and the ability to create gourmet meals right on your countertop. It's easy to use and fits well in any kitchen. However, the high temperature can be intimidating for some, and you need to keep an eye on your food to avoid overcooking. Plus, it's not meant for outdoor use, which could be a deal breaker for some. In conclusion, whether you're looking for versatility, portability, or high heat for the perfect steak, there's an infrared grill out there for you. Each of these products offers unique benefits that can elevate your cooking experience. Do your research and choose the one that fits your needs best. Happy grilling!